Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to wrap image in Google Docs 2024. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, click image and click upload from computer. Then choose the image, then click open. Then select the image and click image option. Then go to the text typing option. You can choose inline text, with text, wrap text. Resize the image and I can apply wrap text. You can choose text, break text, then behind text, or in front of text. Here we can see wrap image in Google Docs in 2024 very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.